In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design an interactive bottom navigation bar in Figma. Start by opening your Figma file and creating a mobile app frame. At the bottom of the frame, create a navigation bar using a rectangle shape. Next, add the icons and labels you want for your navigation items such as Home, Search, Favorites, and Profile. Arrange the navigation items evenly across the bottom bar. Once your navigation bar is designed, select all the navigation elements and create a component. With the component selected, click Add Variant in the right-hand panel. Create multiple variants to represent different navigation states. For example, one variant can have the home icon active, another can have search active, and so on. Customize each variant by changing the active icon color, label color, or adding an indicator to show the selected tab. Now switch to the Prototype tab. Select the active navigation item in the first variant and connect it to the corresponding variant where another tab becomes active. Set the trigger to On Tap. Choose Change To as the action. Select Smart Animate as the animation type and adjust the duration to create a smooth transition. Repeat this process for the remaining navigation items so users can switch between tabs interactively. Once all interactions are connected, drag an instance of the component into your mobile frame. Click Present to preview your prototype. You can now tap the navigation items and watch the bottom navigation update just like a real mobile application. And that's it. You've successfully created an interactive bottom navigation bar in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.